Hi guys, in this video we will see fix corrupt font text on Windows 11. If your all text font is corrupted in your system such like this photo, then here are the fixes. The first and initial workaround is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major and minor issue on your system. So you must restart your Windows 11 and 10 system and check whether your corrupted font error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open File Explorer in your system. Press Win+E shortcut key to launch File Explorer or this PC. Here go to C drive. Here go to Windows. And here look for the option Fonts. Open it and make sure that all necessary fonts such as Arial, Times New Roman, such as which is in daily use fonts is installed in your system. Must ensure such type of fonts, essential fonts should be installed in your Windows fonts folder. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Here execute the command sfc scan now. And press enter. It will scan your computer for any corrupted file system and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. It will take some time. Follow on screen instruction to complete the scanning process. And after that, restart your system. Your problem should be definitely be resolved. One more fixes, update your operating system. Right click on start button, choose settings. From the left side, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates from the right side, and if any pending action required, any update available to install, then choose install. Otherwise, click on check for updates. Go to advanced options, go to optional updates, and if any optional updates are also available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of such type of issue.